Good afternoon. Chapter Application of Derivatives. Topic Approximation. Exercise 6.4, question number 2. So the question is, find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. So find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay. So solution here, fx equal to, here fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. Okay. So find this derivative. F dash x equal to f dash x equal to 4 into 2 8x
8x plus 5.
plus 5. Yes, 8x plus 5. Let x equal to 2 and x plus delta x equal to 2.0. Okay. So 2.01 is x plus delta x and x equal to 2. So therefore delta x equal to
0.01.
Therefore delta x equal to 2.01 minus 2 equal to 0.01. Okay. Now so f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x equal to okay, that is f of 2.01. So delta y equal to delta y
F of x plus delta x minus f of x.
f of x plus delta x minus f of x delta y. So delta y plus fx plus fx equal to f of x plus delta x. Okay. So f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x equal to fx plus delta y. Okay. So this equal to fx plus delta y equal to f dash x delta x. F dash x delta x. Okay, we know this. delta y equal to f
Yes,
dash x
sir.
delta x. Now fx is this given question, fx equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2 plus 5x plus 2. This is fx plus, and f dash x is its derivative 8x plus 5. 8x plus 5. Okay, into delta x. Now putting the values of x and delta x, so x equal to, x is 2, so 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 2, x equal to 2, plus 8 into 2 plus 5 into delta x is 0.01 into 0.01. Okay, so calculate this, equal to 4 into 4, 16 plus 10 plus 2, 16 plus 10 plus 2 plus,
Sir, 28.21.
yes, 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5 into 0.01, 0.01. Okay, so 16 plus 10, 26 plus 2, 28, 28 plus 21 into 0.01, 01. Okay, now 28 plus
0.21.
0.21. Okay, so equal to 28.21. Okay, and this is f of 2.01. So f of 2.01. Okay, question is find the value of f of 2.01, so equal to 28.21. This is the answer. Okay, all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next say question number 3. Question number 3 is, find the approximate value of f of 5.001, where fx equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15, x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Okay, so here fx equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. So its derivative f dash x equal to
3x square minus 14x.
3x square minus 14x. Okay, let x equal to 5 and x plus delta x equal to 5.001. Okay, question is 5.001. So therefore delta x equal to delta x equal to
0.001.
0.001 minus 5 equal to 0.001. Okay, so f of x plus delta x equal to delta x equal to 5 point f of 5.001. Okay, now delta y equal to
F of x plus delta x minus f of x.
f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay, so f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus delta x equal to f
Delta y plus fx.
and this equal to fx plus and delta y equal to f dash x into delta x. Okay, we know this delta y equal to f dash x delta x. Now fx equal to fx is given question x cube minus 7x square plus 15 fx plus f dash x equal to 3x square minus 14x 3x square minus 14x into delta x. Okay, now putting the values of x and delta x equal to 5 and delta x equal to 0.001. Okay, x equal to 5, so this is equal to 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square plus 15 plus 3 into 5 square minus 14 into 5 into 0.001. Okay, now calculate this. 5 cube is 125.
125 minus 175 plus 15.
125 75 25 into
Yes,
7
sir.
175 plus 15 plus
75 minus 70.
75 25 into 3 75 minus 70 into 0.001. Okay, now 125 plus 15 140 minus 175 plus 5 into 0.001. Okay, now 140 minus 175
Minus minus 35 plus 0.005.
Minus 35 plus 0.005. Now this equal to
Minus 34.995.
minus 35.000. Okay, that is 34.99.
995.
0.995, yes. So minus 34.995. So therefore f of, question is f of 5.001. F of 5.001. This equal to 001 equal to minus 34.995. This is the answer. Okay, is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 4. Different type question number 4. Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube. V of a cube of side x x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%. Okay, by 1%. Okay, so side of a cube is here. It is given question. Side of a cube is x meter. Okay. Then V equal to x cube side into side. Now its derivative dv by dx equal to 3x square. So let delta x be change of inside, that is delta x equal to, now delta x is increasing the side by 1%. So equal to 1% of x increasing the side. So equal to 1 by 100, 1% into x. That is equal to 0.01x. Okay. This is delta x. Increasing the side 1%. Now, question is find the approximate change, okay, in the volume V. So approximate change in V. So now therefore the change in, so it is delta V, change in V is delta V. So delta V equal to, we know, dV by dx into delta x, So dV by dx equal to 3x square
3x square into 0.01 into x.
into 0.01x. Okay, so this equal to, therefore delta V equal to 3x cube, that is 3 into 0.01, 0.03 x cube, and unit is meter cube, m cube. Okay, so 0.03 x cube m cube, this is the answer. This is the change in V. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question number, same type question 5 also, 6 number 6, question number 6.
Okay, sir.
If the radius of a sphere, if the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter, with an error of 0.02 meter, then find the approximate error. Approximate error in calculating its find the approximate error in calculating its okay, see the question. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meter, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Okay, so let R be the radius and delta R be the error. Let R be the radius and delta R be the error. Okay, then it is given question, radius is 7 meter, then R equal to 7 meter and delta R equal to error equal to 0.02. 2 meter. Okay. Now find the approximate error in calculating its volume, and it is a sphere. Okay. So now V equal to, so what is V equal to? Sphere V equal to 4/3 pi r cube V. Okay, so dV by dr equal to dV by
4 pi r square.
dr, derivative with respect to r radius, 4/3 into 3 pi r square. So 3 cancelled, equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, this is dV by dr with respect to radius. Its derivative dV by dr equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, so now question is find the approximate error in calculating its volume, that means del V. So del V equal to dV by dr into delta r. Okay, so this equal to dV by dr is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square into delta r is 0.02. 0.02 and radius equal to 7, r equal to. So equal to 4 pi into 7 square, r equal to 7 into 0.02. So 49 into 4, it is 49 into 4,
196.
196. 49 into 4,
Yes, sir.
pi. This pi into 0.02 and this into 2. 196 into 2 multiply 392,
392.
and after 2 digit, that is decimal point, 3.92
3.92 pi.
pi. Okay, this is del V. Now its unit is, it is 7 meters, so meter cube.
Meter.
Okay, so the question is
Yes,
find the
sir.
approximate error in calculating its volume. Okay, so it is 3.92 pi meter cube. This is the answer. Okay, okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
All the question you understood? Hello,
Yes, sir.
you can ask now any question you have.
No, sir.
And all the practice all the examples of NCERT. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.